check in with businesses in the Mahoning Avenue corridor. A program at the Goodwill is helping fill the demand for jobs in healthcare, and several organizations and individuals are honored for giving back to their community. This is the Daily Buzz. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Buzz. I'm Mike Moliterno and a happy Monday to you all. How am I doing? Well, thank you for asking. I spent the majority of my Sunday powerless. Not powerless as in lacking agency, but powerless as in all the power in my house was off, and probably is still off. Have you ever tried to entertain a 3-year-old in the dark, in the cold, with no electronics for 5 hours straight? It wasn't easy. Good point, Damon Albarn. Although I think Lionel Richie might disagree with you. When compared to my Sunday evening, Sunday morning was in fact easy.
Easy like Sunday morning.
And I'm just about done letting famous musicians do my speaking for me. Just one last thing. First Energy. All right, I'm done. Let's go to our top story. Lordstown Motors says it expects to have 500 employees by the end of the year and also announces it's opening 2 satellite locations. In the announcement, Lordstown Motors said it has received 50,000 pre-orders for the all-electric endurance pickup truck, which it will manufacture in the former GM plant in Lordstown. The automaker will also open 2 satellite locations, one in Farmington Hill, Michigan, and one in Irvine, California, which will be the company's first service center outside Ohio. Lordstown Motors says it expects to begin deliveries of the Endurance in September 2021 and ramp up to full production in 2022. To get there, the company says it will build a 700,000 square foot battery pack and hub motor production facility at its Lordstown site. It also states that it expects to employ 1,500 by the end of 2021. As businesses, particularly restaurants, brace for the impact of the latest coronavirus surge, which could bring a new round of closings in Ohio as early as this week, we're checking in with those along the Mahoning Avenue corridor to see how they're weathering the current economic climate. Michelle Carinanti, owner of Salvatore's Italian Grill in Austintown, says his restaurant is surviving right now, but worries about the long-term consequences of the latest outbreak. According to a Yelp Economic Impact report in September, 61% of all restaurants that were closed in March have shut down permanently, and 58% of retail establishments remained closed. However, some, such as Gerald Walker, saw opportunity. Walker opened Evolve Market, an organic convenience store, 4 months ago. Signs of life become more evident as you move into Austintown. One example is this banner advertising the arrival of a new fast food chain, Sam's Southern Eatery. You can read more on the state of business along Mahoning Avenue in the story on our website. In case you missed it over the weekend, we brought you the story of some 20 organizations and individuals who are working during these difficult times to make a difference in our community. Those people and groups were honored Friday during the 30th annual National Philanthropy Day event at Stambaugh Auditorium, held by the Association of Fundraising Professionals Mahoning Shenango chapter. Among the honorees was Second Harvest Food Bank of the Mahoning Valley, which has seen a 40% increase in requests for assistance. Mike Iberis is executive director.
We began to work with our donors and other vendors in order to get more food in. We're successful in getting actually approximately 50% more food in.
You can watch the full ceremony and read more in the story on our website. For those looking to enter the healthcare industry, a program offered by the Youngstown area Goodwill can have you certified for work in 19 weeks. Through the Certs program, students can get certified for positions as a certified medical assistant, patient care technician, phlebotomy technician, pharmacy technician, and medical front office assistant. 57 are currently enrolled in the program, which is approved by the National Health Career Association. According to the Ohio Department of Job and Family Services, jobs in healthcare are expected to increase by more than 135,000 in the state by 2026. And finally, today we begin a new series of thought leaders interviews. For the next 4 weeks, we'll be speaking with Andy Lipkin, CEO of the Youngstown Area Jewish Federation. In the first segment, Lipkin discusses the organization's mission and how it's expanding in the Valley.
Thomas's Family Endowment of the Youngstown Area Jewish Federation provided Challenge Fund seed money that allowed us to be able to give over $120,000 in emergency relief to 15 Valley organizations, and we're so proud that we're able to do that. Also, part of our relief efforts were that we received a contract with Direction Home of Eastern Ohio, and we started giving anywhere out from 3,500 to 4,000 meals a week. This was a whole new department we never had before.
You can hear more in the Thought Leaders video at businessjournaldaily.com. And that is going to do it for today's Daily Buzz. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. If you'd like to dive deeper into any of these stories, the links are available in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Mike Moliterno. Wait for my power to come back on.
717 Credit Union is paying it forward because we care about our business community. We are offering 6 months of free ACH and domestic wire services through small business payments when you open a free e-business checking account. 717 Credit Union. We are here for your business.